Alright, so I'm inside of a 2001 Chevy Malibu. As you can see, the ignition key is in the on position. I got in this vehicle last night. It would not start. It cranks 100%. The battery's brand new, less than a year old anyway. And it acted like the fuel pump was out. So I Googled for a couple of hours last night and found a couple of solutions. One being to turn the ignition switch to the on position until this little theft system light goes out, and that's supposed to be about 10 minutes. Turn it off for 5 minutes, and then it should start. So we're going to see if the thing starts or not, as they indicated on Google.